Welcome to Covve's Scanner and Lead Capture tool. Let's take a tour of the app's key features. With Covve, you can scan and digitize business cards and QR codes. You can also upload an image of a business card from your gallery. Share your own details by creating your digital business card directly in Covve. And if you meet someone who doesn't have anything to share, just capture their contact details manually in the app. Manage your contacts by organizing them with groups and notes. These can be exported, allowing you to view these details in your existing tools. Use the built-in AI-powered research tool, designed to help you learn more about your leads, qualify them, and suggest reasons to follow up. Use the action button at the bottom of the screen to send your business card back to the person you met. You can also save contacts to your phone, send them to your CRM, or share contacts with others. From the main screen, you can access filters to narrow down your view by groups, dates, or lead type, such as personal or team leads, if you're part of a team. Select your chosen contacts and export them to Excel in CSV format, or send them directly to Gmail or Outlook. You can also bulk add contacts to a group, share your card with multiple people, or delete selected entries. Through the search bar, you can search by name, company, or things you've noted. In the secondary menu, you can view the business cards you've created and shared. For corporate users, the Team Collaboration tool offers advanced functionality. You can choose to automatically share new leads with your team, add team members, view and export their leads, assign admin roles, or remove users as needed. In the settings, you can access any active integration you'd like. Once you've logged into your CRM of choice, simply choose a contact and tap the button to send it to your CRM. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at sales@covve.com.